Okay, there's a few concepts here. Okay, soon. Concept number one. How? First page. So you use what formula? 1 minus cosine square y equals sine square y. Is it? So you put this inside here. Good. Now the idea here is to convert everything. The first concept is actually to convert everything to one type of trigo. Okay. Now this make use of formula like this. Also sometimes it make use of formula like this. Also it makes use of formula like this. R formula actually the greater purpose is to combine two different trigo into one trigo. Do you notice? So every time I got cosine plus sine becomes cosine. Sine plus cosine equals sine. Only sine plus cosine of course. Yeah? So this is the first concept. Clear? Okay, now the second thing you need to change of course is 2 cosine 2y. Now cosine 2y, according to page 2, there are 3 types. And because you want to fulfill the one type of trigo, so can you tell me which formula do you choose? Question. Cosine square y minus 1. Very good. Put it inside. Then you will notice that come again. Why? Yeah, why cosine 2y consists of 3? That goes back to how is it derived. Let me just bring Kevin's question is how come cosine started with this formula, end up there are 3 variations. The answer is I can replace this into the sine x. And when I replace, you see that it is actually cosine square x minus 1 minus cosine square x. And when I expand the rainbow, then I have 1 minus 2 cosine square x. Okay, it's different from this. So I did the opposite. It should be minus 1. Then you get back this. If you replace cosine x with this, then you get a third variation. Okay, so that's why you have 3 variations. We don't teach anymore because now it's given. Now, soon back to your question. Then how do you solve this? After I put this red thing inside, I will end up with something like that. Cosine square blah blah y plus blah blah cosine y minus blah blah equals 0. Then you see that you can factorize. So when you factorize, you have cosine y equals something. Cosine y equals something. You can also do that. You can let cosine y be a. Then you have a square plus a plus something equals 0. Now from here, how do I solve the y? You will need 3 steps. The reference angle, select the quadrant, find x. So therefore I have 2 answers here, I have 2 answers here. Altogether I have 4 answers.
But if you write separately, like 2,
it is separate now. Okay, so everyone listen. When you do this kind of equation, you will have 4 answers. Last step is always to combine the 4 answers together. But even if you don't do that, usually you don't complete the line. But you can combine it nicely. Question 2, B is okay? Huh? I thought B was more difficult than A. But B is okay.
B, you guys.
Okay.